Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Vanguard. We'll start by understanding your investment goals and personal risk tolerance. It's crucial to review your current asset allocation to ensure it aligns with your objectives. Look for any funds that aren't performing as expected or holdings that might be redundant, as these are often the first areas to address for better portfolio health and efficiency. Next, let's tackle common adjustments. Rebalancing your portfolio is key to maintaining your desired asset allocation, perhaps quarterly or annually. Consolidating similar funds can significantly reduce complexity and lower overall expense ratios. For taxable accounts, consider tax loss harvesting to offset capital gains, potentially saving you hundreds or even thousands of dollars in taxes. Now, let's explore advanced strategies. Always evaluate expense ratios. Even a difference of 25 basis points can impact long-term returns by thousands of dollars. Leverage Vanguard's renowned low-cost index funds and exchange-traded funds for broad market exposure. Automating your contributions and rebalancing schedule ensures consistent execution and removes emotional decision-making from your investment process. Finally, maintaining your investments is an ongoing process. Schedule annual reviews to assess performance and ensure alignment with your goals. As life circumstances evolve, such as a new job or retirement, adjust your strategy accordingly. Staying informed about market trends and new Vanguard offerings will help you make timely and informed decisions for your financial future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.